Today I am going to show you how to add Discord bots. In previous video I show you top 10 bots. Now in today I will add this first bot ME6. So go to Google Chrome and go to me6 me6.xyz. It's the link of the me6 bot. First we need to add to Discord, and we need to give a permission authorize our server. So I set up here and add to server, our server, test server, continue, and I need to give all this permission and authorize. And now I need to prove that I am a human. It's proved, and me6 bot added to our server. Here in general, here is showing that community updates. Here our bot me6. Now we need to go server setting, roles. Here I create a bot roles in previous video. Now I will manage add me6 into our bot role. Add members me6 add and me6 color. As bot is yellow color, so me6 is also yellow color. Save changes. Minded that we change the permissions for bot, but we don't need to change any permissions in me6 because it's automatically set it. Me6 added. Now now I will create a rules for our server. Here is a rules channel, but there is no rules, so now I will add a rules. For adding rules, go to me6 and there you will see here you will see embeds. Now embeds post in channel, so our rules will be posted in rules channel. Will not add description because we will adding embed. So our title text is rules and regulation. Here I create a rules. See, it's a rules for my server. Now I will add title, control plus C, copy and paste. It's our title, rules and guidelines. Please follow these rules to avoid ban. Now here I will add rules. So my first rule is attitude. It's my own rules. You can create your own rules as you like, as you wish. Number 1, attitude. Number 2, my number 2 rules is content. Here content. Now number 3, my number 3 rules is name and pictures. Name and pictures. Number 4, my number 4 is organization. Number 5, my number 5 is update. Here is update. It's not necessary to give this, so I delete it. Okay. Now number 6, my number 6 rules is help. Okay, my rules is complete. If you want to give an image for rules, you can add, but I don't need any image or thumbnail, so I won't give it. And here is the color, so I choose this color red because red is best suitable for rules. red. Okay. um, and it's a short description, so I add a short description, rules, on the rules and regulation. Regulation. Now click to save. Okay, saved. Here its rules come. These are the rules for my server. Okay, I added rules. Now we'll go to server settings, and now I will add membership screening. So set up membership screening. I need to give it enable. Proceed anyway. Now description. So in description, before we description, we need, it's automatic. New members must verify their email. It's automatically added. We can now our set of server rules. So I already created server rules. I just copy and paste that. Means is it's my server rules. I will copy it and add. No, not like that. In number one, our number one rules was attitude. At number one rule attitude. Now number two was content. Number two. Now add rule number three. So number three was name and picture. Number four, organization. Number five, update. Now number five, sorry, number six, it's our last rule. Add rules. Okay, rules added. Now I'll give it example rules. So be careful and respective. No spam or self promotion, no NSFW or absence content, and help keys. Okay, there's our 10 rules, and save. And okay, our membership screening is complete. And now welcome screen. Sorry, we forget to add description. It's our channel description. You can add your own channel description, but because it's a test server, so I won't give any description, just like that. Okay. Okay, I give its test server. Join please. Okay, our server created. Our membership screening created. Now welcome screen. So if we add membership screening, then we can't add welcome screen, and if we add welcome screen, then we can't add membership screening. So I created member screening, so I can't create now welcome screening. So I now give you a result of our membership screening. So I will log in another account in Discord, then I will show you is our membership screening working or not. In Discord, login. It's my another account. Now in that account I will join in this server. So I need to get a invitation link. It's invitation link, copy and save and invite. It's my another account. Okay, see, I got that invitation link, test server, join. Okay, I added in this test server. So firstly, here are our rules and guidelines. You must complete a few more steps before you can talk. Okay, complete. Here our membership screening we created. Okay. It's our server emoji which I created in previous video, and today I created this. Our rules are showing. I have read and agree to the rules. Submit. It's complete general here. Good to see you. Okay. Bye today. In next video I will show you how to create this welcome screening. So before we create welcome screening, we need to delete membership screening, because if we add membership screening then we can't add welcome screening. So I disable it now. In next video I will show you how to create this welcome screen. uh, Goodbye today.